The weather's really starting to turn out here. Not for the better, it's for the worse. But now we have the Toyota Echo suspension put in the back of this thing. Now we're gonna try something a little bit different with how we installed this, but we're gonna see how it looks right here. Start up the Walden. Let's pull out all these jack stands. This one here. Ugh. It's been a long day out here working on this thing. I will admit, I did try something new. If you try the same thing every time, you ain't gonna learn anything. Try something new, see how it goes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna come down. I think that thing sits extremely tall. I don't think we're gonna be bellying this thing out anytime soon. But with the bad weather, and it's, I think it's like +4 right now, we gotta get this thing onto the inside of the garage. So let's get it in there. We're gonna fire her up and then put her in. So we got this thing in here. Unfortunately, I think we're having some issues. The lower ball joint is rubbing on the rim on both sides. So we're gonna have to get in there and trim that up a bit. And so we're all set up for tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe the next day to come in here and do some work to this. And we have this thing in here. But don't worry about that. That thing's got a lot of videos coming. Don't you guys worry about it. But I think we're doing pretty good on this thing right now. I'm overly happy about the no-name demo car. It's been pretty much a full day stripping that other Camry, getting the front W body suspension in, going to work, stripping the other Camry, and then doing the rear suspension. It's been a full day. I'm tired, and I think I'm going to call it a day. But what's left to do to it is we got to cut the front bumper off, shorten the frame up, get rid of both bends in the front frame, replate it, put a strut block on driver's side, battery, alternator, gas tank, and this thing should be ready to party. At this point, I don't think we're going to get time for the cage. I think I have like Wednesday night and maybe Friday night to work on this, and then the Derby Saturday. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's really not that much. As you can see,
I'm in my work clothes again. A little stuffed up. Don't worry about it. But it's 4:45 in the morning. We got to go to work today. But I also have to get this car ready. And I'm running out of time. So we have 2 hours before we have to leave for work today. So here's what my plan is. My plan is to get the front end of this car cut off, to get these plates cut off, get the bumper cleaned off, get all this 9-wire cleaned up, maybe tacked back on, and then we'll head to work. So if people tell you that they don't have time to do this, it's because they're not making enough time. I'm waking up 3 hours before I have to go to work to get this car ready. And let's be honest, this car is probably going to let me down at the Derby. So here's what we're going to do. Let's break out the torches, because torches is probably the fastest way to do this. The ugliest, but the fastest.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
So we got the whole front end cut off on this, so it's looking pretty good. Torch makes quick work of it. We might have to square it up just a bit. We're about to lift that bumper back up and start welding that on. Quite smoky in here though. We're doing great for time. What we're doing over here is we're just cutting some of our plates to hold the bumper on. We got 4x6 to hold the plate on, and then we need some 4x4 repair plates. So this bandsaw is doing the work, but we're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff cut and then start welding. So we'll get back to this here in no time. Putting a lot of work into this piece of crap car, I'll tell you that.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Well guys, it's been a pretty productive morning. The time right now is 6:57, so I gotta head out to go to work, and it's just in time because this whole garage is extremely smoky. So what have we done this morning? We've put the welder into overload twice, so that's impressive. We've cut the whole front end off the car. We've got four 4x6 plates to hold the bumper welded on. We got two 4x4 repair plates to be welded on. After work today, we're probably going to come back out here and we're going to start on some threaded rod. This thing has had threaded rod before and it's been cut off. We did cut the seat belts down to sub. We are probably going to be replacing those ASAP. And I think we're allowed one more 4x4 plate. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I'm going to read the rules. And if we are, it's definitely going to go on the sub. My plan for this car is just to send the front of it. As it looks, we're probably not going to get enough time to put a cage into it. So I'm going to be a little bit an open target. The back of this car and the sides of the car are definitely going to fold in, especially with the driver doors already folded in. But a lot more welding to be done. We used this come along up here to help hold the bumper on, so that made life a little bit easier. I was going to weld the rad support back in, but then it kind of made me a little upset, and I folded it in half, so it's thrown off to the side now. But we're definitely going to, I don't know, can we 9-wire from here to the strut towers or something? I think this one here, I'm just going to go to the threaded rod that we put in. But I don't know. I don't really know what we're going to do. This one here to the header. We should just do something obtuse, ugly, and stupid, to be honest. I think it'd be funny. Maybe we could put threaded rod to the front bumper. I think we're allowed 6. I'm not sure. So we'll be back here right after work. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to charge the camera. I'm going to charge the mic. And we'll see you after a 10 or 11 hour day. Let's go get started our day. Even though we've already been out here for almost 2.5 hours. Now we got to go start our actual work and then come home and do this again. We'll be right back.